If you're new to acrylic application and no one's ever told you this, burp your brush. Don't just stick it in the monomer and then slap it in the acrylic. A burped brush releases tons of tiny air bubbles. Those air bubbles are really gaps in between the bristles that acrylic can sneak into. So we burp the brush to reinforce a flat shape and closed bristles. Also, burping at the same angle as the crimp in the ferrule further trains your brush to be flat and to be closed. A burped, flat, closed brush picks up beautiful beads, which is why we're here. And beautiful beads lead to seamless acrylic application. I've made all these mistakes so you don't have to. So like and subscribe for more tips.